Hey guys, how's it going? We're gonna do a tutorial now on finding icons for your landing page for your site, as well as where to get the best ones, how to put them in. We're gonna be doing that within Framer today. So I have this section here. Now, usually when you're doing icons, it's an image container, it's an image field. And usually you want the image to be SVG because SVG is gonna respond to no matter what format, whether it's on, no matter what viewport it's on. So for this, for instance, this is Twitter, but it's white. So actually with this color scheme, we want this Twitter in black. But I already have the image, right? Unless, you know, you're gonna really get into Photoshop and change it. More effective way, more efficient ways to go use platforms. There's plenty out there. Most of them are free. So for this one specifically, Twitter, the Twitter X logo is pretty new. So a lot of places actually still may not have it, but one that does is I use icons8.com. So if I show you here, and what I love about them is they give you so many options. So if we go to Twitter X, boom, get a lot of options. So you can do this solid, like this. Usually I go for this. So when you go here, you can change the color however you want. So let's say your brand color is different. You want to mix it up, whatever, you can do that. But for this purpose, we need black. So download. Sometimes they might charge you, but for Twitter, this one is free. So we're going to download it. And then SVG usually looks a bit interesting, but no need to worry about that. You just go here now, go to image, change, icons8, and boom, that's it. Black Twitter. And this, if I want to change the size, usually with images, I like icons, I like to keep them fixed. So usually like anywhere from 25 to 25 to up to 60 by 60 is usually the maximum I would go. And then for another section here, these are some icons I think I got from Icons8 earlier, but they're not that professional. I want to use something more health and something animated. So we're gonna go here. This is probably one of my favorites, Lord Icon. This one it's freemium, so I do pay for this. I think it's about $9 or $12 a month. So we're gonna go here. Let's see, because that's something about health. Let's see if I do health. What does it come up with? Yeah, okay, medical insurance, health warning. Okay, let's download this. Now for here, if you want it animated, download as a GIF. So download transparent, infinite loop is good. This, and I want to test doing like X. Now this one, if I want to use this, I can change the color, but I'd rather do more of like an error, something like that. So warning. No, let's do error. Yeah, so let's do this one. I'm curious if we can change the way it animates. Yeah. No pinch. Let's do wobble, because I like that it just stays as is. So this GIF we're gonna download, and let's test both. So going in here now, this image, 24 by 24, quite small. Let's do this one, and then let's do this. Yeah, so we got this list. Now, it goes with this, but if we want to make it bigger, let's try 40 by 40. Yeah, let's see this one. Let's try 60 by 60. No. So yeah, it's quite big, but that's really up to your personal preference. I think definitely sections where you're gonna have quite amount of text or checklists. Utilizing icons is a fantastic way to break up the page, spice it up a bit, make it less mundane, make it more engaging. And nowadays with SVG files and tools like Lord Icon, Icons8, there's also Flat Icon and Lottie files. These resources, these platforms make it perfect to get all types of icons just like this. So yeah, give it a try, and yeah, hope you like it.